Capture and extract first-party purchase data from physical receipts with Microblink. Integrate our technology into your existing mobile or web app to easily validate purchases, reward users, and unlock consumer insights. Our native mobile SDKs process receipts in real time, so users are rewarded instantly, boosting engagement and sales. Out-of-box image capture guides users to take the best photo possible, including blur and proximity detection. Purchase data is extracted and enriched using our proprietary product intelligence engine that is powered by our catalog of more than 15 million products across 22 sectors. Our retailer-agnostic solution works across retailers in supported markets. Specialized AI is at the core of our solution, trained specially on billions of physical receipts to determine accurate, product-level insights at scale. Unlock precise purchase data insights and power delightful shopping experiences wherever your users shop with Microblink.